When the night is dark and long, when my strength is almost gone, I'll hear a whisper to the storm, who promise keeping me warm. You left me alone when I fall down. You love when I will be alone. I trust in you, I stand my ground. Your grace is where my heart is full, but the year that wait, you burn the Lord. Show in you Verset, they shall mount up white ones as eagles. They shall run and be weary, and they shall walk and love. I will soar wings like eagles. You might train where I weak. I will run and grow weary. In love, my soul at peace. When today I'm feeling weary, when my heart can't see you clear, you will remind me you are near. You perfect love, cost of crying. You lift me up when I fall down. You love me when we are one. I trust in you, I stand my ground. Your grace is where my heart is full. But that day when you burn the Lord, shall you know the trench? They shall not come with wings of eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. I will soar wings like eagles. You my strength when I weak. I will run and grow weary. In your love, my soul like peace. I've dreamed towards you in the waiting, in the rising and the fall. You are faithful to the age. You are God above it all. But say that whether you plan to know, shall you know their strange? They shall walk on the wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall run and not faint. I will soar wings like eagles. You are my wing. I will not grow weary. I in you know my soul I live.